Hello, welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. Today what we're doing is a quick test of the DreamHat Sluicebox. I'm not doing any sample panning, I'm just running random dirt around the place. The reason is I want to see how much I can really truly get through when I'm fit and strong. So what I'm trying out is a new concept today. I have some 9-litre buckets here beside me. So what I'm doing nice and simple is I'm just working right up against the bedrock. And what I'm going to do is just put 2 shovels into a bucket. So let's have a look here. Let's see how this works. Oh, that's broken bedrock. I like that. Put them into that bucket. So I work this on through. Not ideal that I have to slosh it. That's why you definitely have to wear gloves, especially this time of year. And again, I'm piling up tailings right next to the box. When that bucket is full, then I'm going to feed it using the shovel straight into the sluice box. No bending down, no hurting my back. By the time I actually get to set up and going, I have about 2 hours of actual daylight. Also today is going to just be fast framing. I might do some test panning. I probably won't, because as I have only 2 hours of daylight left. So there's the plan. Fill buckets, drop them into the bucket, shovel straight to the sluice box. Let's go find some shiny. I think I've said it before, but do you ever get the feeling you can hear someone? And it could be just the water, but it could also be someone. I like the woods. Some days you just need to be alone. So I was in the middle of feeding this sluice box and I saw this yellow thing in the corner with a bit of black on it. It could be nothing. It could be a piece of gold. So where is it? There. Ooh, it feels like it could be. Oh, hang on. Let me get some water in that. Easiest way to... Nah, it's not. Damn! Look at that. See the way it's moving there, right? That's not gold. No, it's too light. Right, look, while we're here and we have the pan in hand and I have the camera on my head, let's just do a quick test pan. Right, let's have a look and see how this gets on. Right, I see what looks like lead shot there, so well, now we're in the spot where heavies are going to be. Now, is there any gold in here? That's what we really want to know. Bits of lead shot. Just tip out some more water. Don't need that much. Pieces of broken quartz. That's what I saw that looked like lead shot. Micro piece of gold. 2 micro pieces of gold. Good. I've got 2 micros. I'm just going to keep working this now. I might do a little bit of test panning somewhere else just to find the best gold. And then we'll just keep bouncing through stuff. And I will see you at the clean out. So I know I said I'd wait until we do the clean out before I come back to you. As I'm digging down, as I'm following the trench, I'm getting into heavier and heavier loads. So every time I take 2 shovels, bring it down, it's really heavy. So what I want to do is, with the GoPro on, I want to track how long it takes to just put 2 shovels in that, screen it on through, run it through the sluice box. We'll just repeat that process, right, and go. I have the sluice box up at an angle, and the reason I have it up at an angle in the bucket so they can rinse off the riffles, cells, whatever you want to call them correctly. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so from here onwards. So what I have is just a little sprayer bottle. I picked this up in one of the online stores, really cheap, and all it is, it's meant really for when you've got holding your pan and you want to rinse it out into a jar or something. So what I'm going to do is, so 9 is there, just below the bulb. So from there onwards, clean out all these little traps. The rest of it can go in this bucket. Might need a bit more adjustment. Get the level of water perfect. As far as I can see, it looks good. Right, what I'm going to do is save you having to be bored. I'm going to put the mat back together. I'm going to pan the one that's the end, and then I'm going to pan this one separately. Right, I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Okay, so this is going to be the final pan down. Diddly-doo. Right, you can see the mat is fully clean and it's back in place. So I'm just going to pick out these big rocks. Going to give them a quick rinse off. It's getting late today and I'm getting a little crazy. That water doesn't taste nice. Why am I carrying a big bucket of water to a place that's full of water? Alright, one of the advantages of having a 1-ton boulder on site is you have somewhere to sit down and pan. So this is the last 8 inches of the mat. And again, if you've got gravel, look, on that side, you take water in from the other side. And again, this is the last 8 riffles. Or I keep calling the riffles, the last 8 cells, we'll call it then, of the sluice box. Oh, interesting. Wonder what caused that. Let's see as a goal first of all. It looks like it might have just been a flash in the pan. So I'm just going to work that down one more time to be 1,000,000,000% certain, but I'm not seeing any gold in there at all. Is that a piece of gold right there? Hang on. Yeah, that's gold. And that's a chunky one as well. There it is there on my finger. Okay, so I'm going to just snuffer that up. We'll find out in a second what that means. Right, now we come to the big one. So we cut away, we'll say 8 riffles, and this is the first 9. It's 36 inches long. There's 2 sets of swirly circle thingies per inch. It's very late in the day. I've been shoveling for hours. Swirly circle thingies is the official word for now. Wow, that's heavy. Talk about heavy pans. Make sure you get the correct angle so you can see the pan. I've had days where I've had to scrap footage because it's just looking at the floor. Okay. That is heavies, I tell you. There's a lot of heavies in there. I'm hoping that's a nookie, but oh, I saw gold. Oh! I got a flash of me pan there. Hey! Or not be too loud in case there's somebody else here. I saw a flash in me pan. Okay, here we go. What's the goal for today? I did see a flash in my pan earlier. I was rather hoping that flash in the pan would be gold. Well, here's all the ironstone over here. Fine, let's work that down again. Bump off the hand. Hand stays perfectly still. Bump repeatedly. Nothing. You know, I overfed the box. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video of testing out the Dream Mash with no gold as the result. So yeah, so that's an unfortunate no gold today, but who knows, a different day I find gold. I was only here for about 3 hours, but I just thoroughly enjoyed it. And that is what it's all about. Nature is the true gold. Thanks very much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget to subscribe button, and sure, catch you next one. We can all go. Bye more shiny. Bye bye.